What if I told you someone could copy your voice in just 3 seconds? Not a close imitation, not a robotic version, but a perfect digital clone that sounds exactly like you. Same tone, same emotion, same flaws, same breath, same pacing. This isn't science fiction. This is a real AI technology that exists today, and it's advancing faster than anyone could have imagined. Modern voice cloning, AI, needs only a few seconds of your speech to build a complete model of your voice. From that tiny sample, it can generate unlimited audio reading texts, answering questions, even holding a full conversation, all in your voice. But here's the part that truly shocks people. The clone doesn't just mimic what you said. It can make you say anything. It can speak in languages you've never learned, sing tunes you've never practiced, and even express emotions that were never present in the original sample. So how does it work? The AI maps your vocal identity, the unique fingerprint created by your throat, mouth, and lungs, and rebuilds it digitally. This technology relies on something called deep neural networks. These networks are trained on massive datasets of real human voices, learning the subtle patterns that make each person sound unique. When the AI hears you speak for just a few seconds, it breaks the audio into 3 components, which is what your unique voice sounds like, precede your personal rhythm, pacing, and intonation, and phony mapping, which is how you pronounce different sounds. From these tiny fragments, the AI constructs a complete blueprint of your voice. Once that blueprint exists, the system can generate new speech from text with near-human accuracy. This is why you'll sometimes hear clones that even include breathing sounds, tiny voice cracks, and other natural imperfections. The AI isn't just copying your words, it's rebuilding your vocal identity from scratch. Now, despite the obvious concerns, this technology also has some incredible positive uses. For example, it can help speech-impaired patients. People with ALS or throat cancer can regain their original voice digitally. It can even restore voices for children. When a child loses their voice, AI can reconstruct how they would have sounded as an adult. Think about movies and games. Actors can license their voice so that AI can generate new dialogue without them needing to be in the recording studio. And imagine translation without losing your identity. You could hear yourself speaking perfect Chinese, Arabic, or Spanish, even if you've never studied it. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa might one day speak in your own voice, or the voice of someone you choose. These innovations could revolutionize entertainment, accessibility, education, and communication. But with great potential comes great danger. Voice clones can be used to impersonate people for scams, to bypass voice-activated security systems, or to create fake audio evidence. They can spread misinformation or political manipulation, steal identities, and authorize fraudulent transactions. And because the AI only needs 3 seconds of your voice, it can capture a sample from anywhere: a YouTube video, a voice note, a TikTok clip, or even background audio in a phone call. That means almost anyone who has spoken publicly online is now vulnerable to being cloned. Tech companies are working on digital watermarking and voice detection tools, but the technology is evolving so quickly that laws and regulations are struggling to keep up. We may soon live in a world where hearing someone's voice is no longer proof that they actually said something. So, where does all this lead? Experts predict that within the next decade, every person might have a digital voice twin. Your voice could become a form of biometric currency. AI-generated voices will likely be indistinguishable from real ones. We could see entire movies, podcasts, or audiobooks created without a human ever speaking. Politicians, celebrities, and influencers will face AI impersonation on a massive scale. We will desperately need new forms of authentication systems that can tell the difference between a real human voice and an artificial one. Voice cloning is one of the most powerful and most dangerous technologies ever created. It promises incredible breakthroughs in healthcare and entertainment. But it also threatens our privacy, security, and the very nature of truth itself. The age of voice identity is changing forever. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on AI science and the future of technology, make sure to follow and subscribe.